The great white shark ruled the ocean for 400 million years, until 1997. Scientists tracked one behaving normally, then suddenly diving 500 meters and fleeing 100 kilometers overnight. When they analyzed the data, they discovered something shocking. The apex predator had become prey, and what hunted it was far more terrifying. The great white shark ruled the ocean for 400 million years, until 1997. Scientists tracked one behaving normally, then suddenly diving 500 meters and fleeing 100 kilometers overnight. When they analyzed the data, they discovered something shocking. The apex predator had become prey, and what hunted it was far more terrifying. Orcas use one of nature's most precise hunting strategies. They trap great whites near the surface, flip them upside down, and trigger paralysis called tonic immobility. Unable to move or breathe, the shark drowns. Then, the orcas take only the nutrient-rich liver and leave the rest. This isn't hunger, it's precision.
This isn't rare. In South Africa, multiple great white sharks washed ashore with only their livers removed, killed by orcas. One orca was even filmed killing a great white alone in just 90 seconds. At California's Farallon Islands, great whites fled an entire area after a single orca appeared. The ocean's top predator fears one animal, the orca. Great white sharks rely on surprise and one powerful attack. Orcas rely on intelligence, teamwork, and constant awareness through echolocation. Sharks hunt alone. Orcas hunt smarter. In the ocean, information is the deadliest weapon, and orcas mastered it millions of years ago. This discovery forced scientists to rewrite the ocean's food chain. For decades, we classified the great white shark as the apex predator of the sea, at the top of every chart, every documentary, every textbook. That classification is now gone. The orca holds that position, unchallenged, documented, definitive. And the implications reach further than just one species. When orcas move into a region, great whites leave. When great whites leave, seal and sea lion populations temporarily explode. When seal populations explode, it disrupts fish stocks, which ripples through the entire ecosystem. One predator's fear reshapes an entire ocean. The orca doesn't just sit at the top of the food chain. It controls the shape of it. The ocean is not what we thought it was. The predator at the top is not the biggest, not the fastest, not the most ancient. It is the smartest, the most coordinated, the most ruthless planner. Subscribe and hit that bell, because the creature we reveal next week makes even the orca look over its shoulder.